Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Sign with Foluke. Today we are going to learn the numbers in sign language. Hit to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more learning videos. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 or 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 2, 2, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So from 30 down to 99. So you're signing 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Origin of the sign for 100 is from our Roman numeral, that's C 100. So we are using C 100. So if you want to sign 100, that's 101. So you are doing 101, 200, 200, 300, 300, down to 900. So that's it. So for the word thousand, the sign for thousand, T, thousand, thousand. Million, M, million, million. Billion, B, billion, billion. Yeah, so now we've learned from number 1 down to 1 billion. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.